Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today we've got Happy Birthday George at George's Nails 83. This is an Instagram collaboration hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and Carolyn Archer. Our theme was books. And here we go. I'll be using Maniology MXM075 and my Maniology, and this one is Boba. And I got out a couple of stampers, ice cube stampers, and my Maniology scraper. We're going to be making some decals today, if everything will work right and play nice. And I picked up those little books, and I'm going to clean up the excess with a piece of tape. And I'm going to set that aside and let it dry while I make some more, pick out some more images. And before I forget, I should have a hashtag and the list of participants over on Instagram if you'd like to go check them out. Not all of them are going to do videos on YouTube, so, you know, there's that. There we go. We got a couple of more images. I'm going to clean this stamping plate off with some pure acetone and then wipe it down with a lint-free wipe. Alright. Keep nitpicking it. Girl crazy. I'll be using Maniology Coconut and this little Maniology detail brush to get started. I will be pulling some more colors for these books. And I'm just trying to be very careful. I didn't put any top coat or Wet n Wild clear coat on these. I decided I would just try to be careful and not smudge them or pull up any of the lines. I don't want to pull up them stamped lines and mess it up. I've done that so many times. And you think the girl would learn a lesson and remember to clear coat them. But we didn't. So I've been watching George's YouTube channel for a very long time. She does some really good videos if you'd like to check her out. If I can remember, I'll try to put her YouTube video link down below also. Flip it over, check it out, and here we go. We're just going to continue on to the next one. I got two on this stamper, and that'll work out fine here in a little bit. Because when they're dry, you can peel them up and do them separately. I love this little row of books. I think that this one's really cute. Really a cute image. And you could do, you know, any colors you like. I was kind of going with like just kind of earthy tones, things like that. Here we go. And so I'm skipping a few books, and because I'm trying to just use the coconut while I got a dollop of it out. Use it wherever I'm going to use it, and then move on to another color. And here's the next color. This one is Indio, and it's kind of like a burnt orange, kind of. I just figured this would work really good. Kind of getting into my desert colors here. Loving it. And then got to do some books in this color. It was really cool picking out all the colors to go in on these decals. I thought that part of it was fun. You know, figuring out what did I want to use. And I'm doing pretty good today. I'm not too awful shaky. I'm doing quite well. Here we go. Next color is Pistachio. It's definitely Pistachio. And I liked this image too, with the raven on top. Or crow, whatever. I don't, you know. Raven, crow, they're kind of in the same category as far as I'm concerned. I wouldn't know the difference. Alright, so let's get some green books on this one. And I will be applying some, because my nails are way too short for these big old decals. I will be putting these on a set of fake nails, nail tips, whatever you want to call them. That's what we're going to do. And then Maniology Latte. This is one of my favorites. I love this color. Got my little blob going down on my mat. And we're just going to get in here and fill in some more. flip it over, check it out, and grab the next one. So here we go. We're going to get this one wrapped up, get the decal part of it wrapped up. Still got quite a bit going on though. I really like this. This is giving me some 70s vibes here. This is like the color of Tupperware back in the 70s, you know. Okay, so I'm going to be using Low and Away over my nail tips. And these are the, I can't remember the name of them. I can't remember the name of these tips. These were not Painted Desert. Can't remember which ones they were though. And they weren't the Unloose. So anyway, they're tips. I'll be using Stella Chroma, You Brave, Brave Man. And this is like a white with like hollow glitters in it. Really pretty. And our friend George, she loves her some Harry Potter too. I know she's a fan, so I thought it'd be cool to use a Harry. And plus it was books, and Harry Potter books was what got us started on Harry Potter over at this house. So going in with our second coat of You Brave, Brave Man. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Excuse me. I'll be topping these with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get them to dry down. And once they're completely, totally dry, I'll be applying my decals that I've made that are drying right now. There we go. Cap that free edge. There is You Brave, Brave Man all on its own. I'll be using the Maniology Sticky Base to apply my decals. So I'm putting just a regular thin layer on and then hopping in with my decals. Got a little bit hanging off the side of that one, not too bad. I must have clear coated them after I did them. I don't know. I don't remember doing that. Could have. It's very possible because y'all's girl, she's a little cray. There we go, tapping it down. And then we've got one more. And there it is. Ta-da! We're all stamped up. So I'm going to top these with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat, because this side of the decal sticking up has not had anything on it, and it could still smear. And now I'm going to finish off with Posh Top Coat. Want to wish Miss George a very happy birthday, and I want to thank our host for hosting this collab, Miss Heidi and Miss Carolyn. So you guys go check out the other Manis. Here is my final swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.